In the previous lecture, I just introduced you guys to a concept of how to calculate pH, pOH, all those, and I have given you a template as well. Okay. Here I am going to deal with the problem side. What are the patterns of pH problems you can see? Okay. First thing I told you, you need to figure out whether you are dealing with an acid or a base. Once you figure out it's an acid or a base, you have to deal with a strong or weak. Okay, you have to do this. Okay, acid nu therinja strong nu therinja negative log of H plus, base nu therinja strong nu therinja negative log of OH minus, acid nu therinja weak nu therinja using your X value, X equals square root of Ka times C. Similarly, base you can do that. Now, what are the pattern in which numericals can come? Okay. Now, let me put it this way in terms of numbering itself. First one, okay, you can add an acid to water. What happens to pH? This is one pattern of question that you are going to get. So, when you have an acid in a bowl, you add water, concentration changes. So, what you are going to do is, the new methodology in which you are going to do is, for the given acid, calculate moles H plus. Okay, kuduthirukka acid evlo kuduthirukangalo moles H plus. Volume molarity kuduthirundanga volume times molarity will give you moles H plus. Okay. Once I know moles H plus, calculate concentration final. Okay, concentration final of H plus. How do you calculate that? Is moles of H plus, moles H plus divided by volume final. So, volume molarity lende moles H plus na kondu vandutten. In the moles H plus lende enakku concentration final eppadi kandupidikalam appadina, concentration always moles over volume. enakku moles theriyum, thanni ஊத்துறதுனால அது react ஆக போறதில்ல. So, அதே தான் இருக்கும் moles divided by final volume. Let's say for example, நம்ம 1 லிட்டருக்கு கூட ஒரு 1 லிட்டர் தண்ணி ஊத்துறோம் அப்படின்னா, அந்த 1 லிட்டர்லேருந்து எனக்கு மோல்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சி divided by 2னு மாறும். This one pattern. இதே தான் பேஸ் ப்ளஸ் வாட்டரும், பேஸும் வாட்டரும் ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா OH minus equals moles OH minus divided by volume final. This is one. Second thing is, I can do acid plus base. Acid plus base doesn't have to give you always neutral. Okay, depending on acid and the base, acid stronger irkalam, base stronger irkalam. That's one pattern altogether different. What I am talking about here is, one of them is a limiting reagent. Okay, let's say for example, base is limiting reagent. Then what it means, base is completely used up. Appa remaining enna irukona, and the base use on a base salt kuduthirukkom acid oda plus remaining acid. So, acid is left over. So, what you are going to do right now is calculate moles H plus left over. Okay, total moles ungalku acid theriyum, volume molarity kuduthirupanga. So, from total moles, calculate the moles of base and subtract them, it will give you the moles of H plus left over. Okay, now I have moles of H plus left over. If you want, I can write it down this way. How to calculate it? H plus given minus H plus used by base. Okay, moles H plus total given plus moles H plus used by base, remaining is going to be this. So, now this will be the moles of H plus left over. Concentration of H plus final, okay, is going to be moles H plus left over that contributes to the acidity divided by volume final. Volume final is nothing but volume of acid plus volume of base. Okay, rendi add pandringa. Okay, this is second pattern. The third pattern is, let's say I do the same here. The next example, just for clarity's sake, acid is limiting reagent. Okay, acid is limiting reagent and base is left over. So, OH minus final equals moles OH minus left over divided by volume final. Just for clarity's sake, I am writing both. The next pattern is when I add acid to acid. Okay, I take an acid, I add another acid of same concentration, meaning concentration doesn't change. So, 1 molar kuda 1 molar you add pandringna 1 molar da irukum total. So, negative log of 1 molar will give you pH. That's easy. What if I add one concentration to another that is different? So, then what you have to do is calculate moles H plus from acid 1. Calculate moles H plus from acid 2. So moles H plus final or total equals moles H plus from acid 1 plus moles H plus from acid 2. Okay. Now concentration H plus final equals moles H plus final divided by final volume. Final volume is nothing but volume of acid 1 plus volume of acid 2. Same I can extrapolate for base. Base plus base na inga engala acid irukko angala neenga base ah mathikalam. Okay. This is very very simple. When I give you two different concentrations, you have to watch out. The fourth one is when exact same they can tell you pH 1 plus pH 2 are added. Okay. Same I am giving you in terms of pH. Then what you need to do is convert this to H plus, convert this to H plus. How do you do? 10 to the power minus pH. இப்போ எனக்கு ரெண்டு H plus தெரியும். I can go back to this formula. எனக்கு H plus தெரியும், வால்யூம் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. வால்யூம் கொடுக்கல, ஈக்குவல் வால்யூம் அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் 1 லிட்டர் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகே, 1 liter of this concentration, 1 liter of this concentration. Okay, 1 liter times this concentration will give you moles. Volume times molarity is moles. 1 liter times this concentration will give you moles. So, ரெண்டு மோலையும் ஆட் பண்ணி divided by volume final is 1 plus 1 2 liters. So, you can calculate. These are the basic ways of calculating pH. I know that I have done a small lecture right now with this, but pH is actually little bit difficult to calculate pH problems. So, I wanted to keep it separate. Okay, I will do numericals based on this. I left it a small lecture so you can always come back and do this. For the most part நீங்கள் அயனிக் ஈக்குவேஷன் முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் தான் டஃப்பாக இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. So I don't want you to be searching in a different lecture. I put it as a separate one, how to calculate pH based pattern questions. Okay. Now these are the basic patterns. There are also few other things with KSP and the POH கண்டுபிடிச்சு pH கண்டுபிடிச்சு. I will keep that separate. Okay. Alright. Thank you guys.